No matter how bad or good your life is, wake up each morning and be thankful you still have one. You have to thank God about the life. Other people, they can go to bed at night. At the morning, that person is dead at the bed. So when you wake up, you are still alive. You have to thank God about the life. Even your life is bad or you don't have food to eat, but God gives you life to live, because life we are living nowadays doesn't have guarantee, especially when you are traveling or you arrive at the place you are going long distance with a transport. You have to thank God that you arrive safely. Nowadays there is accidents, people are dying with accidents, but when you saw that you don't have an accident, you travel and you came back without an accident, you have to thank God, because life you are living nowadays doesn't have guarantee. Thank God with small you have, those things, or small food you have. Nowadays we don't cry for many things, but we are crying for the life to raise our kids. If you are a poor parent, but as long you are alive to raise your kids, it's better than to not to be there for your kids or not to be alive. But when you wake up every morning, you are still alive. You have to thank God, guys. People are dying nowadays. Small kids are dying with accidents nowadays. You don't understand what's going on. But when you are reaching many years, or maybe you have got birthday, another year, you have to thank God for the life. Nowadays we want to thank God for the life. There is nothing we can praise. We say we want more things, we want to be rich, but when God gives you shelter, gives you food to eat, that small shelter God gives you is better than to not to be here in the world, because you are doing it, especially when you have got kids. You have to thank God that you are still alive and your kids, to raise your kids, because people, guys, are dying. When you see a person is dying with accident and that person have got 4 kids at home, those kids now are orphans. But when you are still alive, you are their parent, you are raising them, it's a blessing of God, especially women. You have to thank God for the life, guys. Other people, you don't understand what's going on. That person was okay, tomorrow is dead, and you don't understand what's going on nowadays, because the long time we know that a person can die with sickness, but nowadays life we are living is very fast. But when you are still alive, you have to thank God about the life. There is nothing you can thank, but you are still alive, you have to thank God about it.